Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Check that your Windows build supports DirectX 12, then immediately update your GPU drivers using the official NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel tool. Once done, run Windows Update and install any optional feature updates plus the Visual C++ redistributables. These libraries matter. You want system-level compatibility before tweaking settings, otherwise fixes won't hold. Make sure to reboot after driver and Windows updates so the kernel-level components initialize correctly. Next, diagnose and repair core DirectX components so issues don't persist. Run dxdiag and save the report to see which DirectX features or drivers report errors. Then run dism with the online and cleanup image flags, followed by sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. These commands fix shell and runtime mismatches. If a game supplies a DirectX redistributable, run its installer to restore missing DLLs. Once these steps complete, reboot and confirm dxdiag now lists Direct 3D feature levels correctly. Finish by restoring stable runtime conditions and verifying functionality. Reset your GPU control panel settings to defaults, then launch a known benchmark or game to test DirectX 12 features, measure frame pacing and stability. If problems persist, perform a clean driver install or roll back to the last stable driver. Sometimes newest builds introduce regressions. Finally, check Event Viewer for DirectX or driver errors and save logs. If you still need help, provide the dxdiag and event logs when you contact support, as they show the why behind failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.